Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And here are numbers that come from the Steam gaming platform. We, of course, talk about the Windows market share. And, of course, Steam every month kind of gives an idea of, what are the systems used for the gaming platform in terms of Windows and the different operating system. Well, we have the news of a nice jump. So it kind of stagnated last month. We were wondering what was happening, but it turns out that Windows 11 has jumped 2.6% to 23.78%, almost 24%, which means that we're getting close to 1 out of 4 Steam users that used Windows on Windows 11, which is kind of interesting. Of course, the dominant system is Windows 10 at 69%, but that's a big drop of 4% right now. So part of it is probably going to Windows 11 for sure. And for the rest, well, Windows 7, still 2.6% are on Windows 7. Mac OS users for Steam, 2.5%, and Linux account for 1.27% of Steam users. Steam platform, of course, for gamers. It would... there's a difference between gamers in general and the rest of the Windows population, because if you look at gamers, they tend to have higher end PCs. So they are the ones that have a better chance of having a computer that supports Windows 11 for upgrade. I would expect the Steam users to be higher on Windows 11 than probably the average population would be, or computer user would be, because of that. Because in general, gamers have higher end PCs. So that would account and make that number probably higher. I don't think 23% of users are on Windows 11. I would think more like 10 or 11% possibly, depending on where you get numbers. But it doesn't surprise me on the Windows 11 numbers for Steam for the fact that gamers have higher end PCs. Gamers will also be more inclined to try a new system than the average consumer. So 23.78, not bad at all for Steam users. And pretty steep drop there for Windows 10, which is kind of interesting. So we'll see next month what happens with these numbers, but kind of interesting numbers here. And there is a progression of users for Steam on Windows 11 for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.